Well, rumor has it that we are going to get a bad storm tonight with 70-mile-an-hour winds and ping pong golf ball size hail. So I'm just kind of picking. I picked those babies. There's another one here that I'm contemplating. I think I'm just going to leave it though and take my chances. But it's really weird weather. It's really, really hot out, but I can hear thunder in the distance. It's kind of weird. I picked peas last night. A couple of nice ones, but I'm going to let them go and hope for the best. But I am going to pick these guys because I don't think they would hold up too well to golf ball size hail. So we're going to get these out of here. At least those three. And that one. So I'm going to take these 4 banana peppers with me. So those are really nice. Really nice. All right, well, one last look at the garden. Hopefully, I'm so worried about my tomatoes. Especially these guys over here. Look at those. They are absolutely beautiful. And look at them all. All right, I'll let you know. Wish us luck. Bye.